If you've been researching your first espresso machine or looking to upgrade from a single boiler machine to prosumer level, there are key features and capabilities you likely have in mind, like PID control for brew temperature accuracy, a heat exchange boiler for simultaneous brewing and steaming, quick heat up times like ready to brew in less than 10 minutes. How about an automatic shot timer? Easy to use joystick lever operated valves, a dual spout plus a bottomless portafilter standard, customizing possibilities like rosewood accents and 4 case color options. How about a machine that's ready for light commercial use with NSF certification? The machine we'll look at today has all that at a really nice price, and it's made by one of the most respected Italian manufacturers that's been in business for over a century. Hey, espresso lovers, Mark here from Whole Latte Love. Today, an in-depth look at the Bedzera BZ13s. These are machines with all that and more. A crowd favorite for value, the BZ13 scores 4.5 out of 5 stars in owner reviews. Coming up, I'll take you for a look inside the machine, check out steaming power. If you need to pair with a grinder, I'll have a look at a best value machine grade grinder from Bedzera that color matches and an upgrade option with diamond inside 55mm burrs that features accurate time grinding presets and quiet operation. The BZ13s have been out for a while, and these latest versions are a Whole Latte Love exclusive. This edition adds the automatic shot timer. The PID is now white instead of red for a more contemporary look. The new wire-style drip tray is a favorite change of mind. It stays cleaner, is less prone to scratching than cut and polished trays, and reflects the design of Bedzera's more expensive machines. And it comes stock with a bottomless portafilter. The BZ13, it comes in 2 flavors. The PM version for manual extractions, you press the brew button to start and press again to stop. Then there's a DE version, which has 2 programmable doses for single and double shots, plus manual extractions using the button with Bedzera's striking snake eating man logo. Compared to other heat exchange boiler machines, some of which lack PID accuracy, the BZ13 is hundreds of dollars less, so it's an incredible value at this level of machine. Now, some of those may have a slightly larger boiler, so you're going to give a little there, but gain a super fast heat up time of just 8 minutes with the electrically heated group, which also helps with accurate brew temps. With the NSF certification, you've got a super solid home machine that's ready to go for lower volume service in a cafe, coffee shop, or restaurant. Now, if you've been using a single boiler machine, you know you cannot brew and steam at the same time. Moving up to a machine with a heat exchange boiler gives you that capability. Beyond saving a lot of time, it means better drinks as your espresso and milk are never waiting for the other to be done. Also means less hassle and mess as you don't have to cool down the boiler after steaming, which is going to be a requirement when using a single boiler machine. Now, before we go inside the machine, a quick top to bottom tour. At the back, a large 3-liter water reservoir, then a generous cup warming surface for cups and another smaller one right above the group. Working our way down, the steam and hot water valves are joystick lever action. Both valves can be operated momentarily or locked on using the joysticks. Brewing on the PM version of the machine is simple. Just push the brew switch to start and push again to stop an extraction. The PM shown here has the beautiful rosewood upgrade. It's available for either machine and includes the rosewood levers and matching portafilter, which is angled. That angle is going to make for parallel to counter surface tamping. Very nice and easier group lock-in. Beyond the rosewood upgrade, you can further personalize either version of the machine with the Rosso, Nera, or Bianco body panels beyond the stock polished stainless finish. Over on the DE version, we have the stock black trim and Bedzera logoed portafilter handles. The DE does program time doses using the 1 and 2 cup buttons or manual doses using the button with the Bedzera logo. That button is used to program the 1 and 2 cup doses. Just press and hold until the lamp flashes, then press the button you want to program the volume for. The pump will start. Once you have the amount you want in your cup, press the button again and the runtime of your pump is stored. Next time you press the program button, the pump runs for the same time and stops automatically. On the face of the machine, a brew pressure gauge, outlet for the three-way solenoid valve, and the PID controller display. The three-way solenoid valve opens after an extraction and removes excess water from the puck so it's dry and easy to knock out. The PID is where you set your brew temperature. Just press the minus button until you see PRG, then use the plus and minus buttons to set your desired brew temp. The little white dot in the display comes on when the heating element is energized. Once the boiler is up to temperature, the dot blinks as very short pulses of energy are used to maintain an accurate temperature in the boiler. Now, I did some unofficial steaming tests to get an idea of relative performance. Our standard is frothing 5 ounces of milk from fridge temps in the mid-40s and heat to above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. We like the froth quality from the 2-hole tip and hit our target range in 16 seconds. That's respectable and much faster than single boiler machines. If you like a hot cup, the above group warming surfaces of the BZ13 are subjectively among the hottest we felt. A check with the thermometer showed 145 Fahrenheit on the rear deck and 135 up front in a room with an ambient temperature of 72 degrees. That is excellent and will have you enjoying warmer beverages. Now, at the start of the video, I promised you a look inside the machine. It's well put together. Here's the 1.5-liter nickel-plated copper boiler with brass end plates. Pressure carrying pipes are all copper, but Zara sets the OPV, which controls pressure and flow, at the factory. Now, I suggest you leave it at the factory setting for proper brew water flow rate. And keep in mind that a pressure reading with a blind filter basket installed does not necessarily represent the brewing pressure in the group when actually extracting espresso. If for some reason you do want to change brew pressure, that's going to be easy. It's adjustable at the OPV using a 16-millimeter wrench to turn this nut. The BZ13 comes with a double spout portafilter plus that rare stock bottomless portafilter for naked extractions. Single and double filter baskets plus a blind basket for back flushing. You'll get a group brush and one of those plastic tampers included with just about every machine at this level. Now, do yourself a favor and get a real tamper, maybe something like this matching rosewood tamper embossed with the Bedzera logo. For grinders to pair with the machine, have a look at these two over here. The Bedzera BB005 is a best value in machine grade grinders. It has very precise stepless grind size adjustment, a basic timing function, and uses 48-millimeter conical burrs. The BB005 is available in brushed stainless, Rosso, Nera, or Bianco to match your BZ13 if desired. For a step up in quality and faster and quieter grinding, check out the Eureka Mignon Magnifico. It has precise stepless micrometer adjustment and upgrades to 55-millimeter diamond inside flat burrs, which keep their edge longer than stock steel burrs. It has 2 accurate timed presets plus manual grinding, and it's quiet, coming in at just 73 dBA and compact at under 14 inches high. Plus, the Magnifico, like other Eureka Mignon grinders, is available in a wide range of colors to fit your style. The Bedzera BZ13 PM and DE models are available now exclusively at Whole Latte Love. If you have any questions on these products or anything coffee, do use the comments and I'll get you a detailed answer. I'm Mark. If you love coffee and espresso as much as I do, I invite you to subscribe and come on back soon for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.